Welcome students and viewers, you are watching 5M-TV. In this class, you will understand basic editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe and share it and suggest me future tutorials and lectures in this class. I will show you how to use marker for editing process. Let's start the video. Markers indicate important points in time and help you position and arrange clips. You can use a marker to identify an important action or sound in a sequence or clip. Markers are for reference only and do not alter the video. Markers are an often underutilized tool in the Premiere Pro CC toolbox. They are little colored tabs you can apply to both your timeline and your source clips to indicate important points in time with a color or note. Like little sticky notes across your project, markers can help you stay organized and keep track of editing notes. Markers are non-destructive, meaning they show up in your workflow but never in your exports. And there are more ways than you'd expect to. Make the most of them in your project. To apply a marker, simply hit the M key on your keyboard, or the marker button, which looks like a little tab with a point, in the program monitor, and it will automatically add a green marker. To add a note to that marker or change its color, immediately hit M a second time and it will open the marker window. In this window, you can change the duration of the marker, making it a segmentation marker, or add a URL to make it a web link marker. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and share it and suggest me future tutorials and lectures.